Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to close your WeBull account. So I'm just going to be doing a demonstration. I'm not actually going to be closing it. I'm just going to show you where. But the first thing you should do is sell your stocks and then transfer all the money to your bank account. So after you've done that, along the very bottom you'll have multiple options. One is the messages. So click on messages. And from here, you can see your profile picture at the top right. Click on your profile picture. Okay, now again, you'll have a lot of options. Scroll all the way down until you see settings. So click on settings. From here, you'll select the first option, which is account and security. So we're going to click on there. And right here at the very bottom, you'll see delete account. So you're going to click on that, follow the step-by-step instructions on how to delete your account. But again, make sure that you have transferred all your money on your WeBull brokerage to either another brokerage or just to your bank account. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.